Well, hello, friends. Welcome back to another Decorate with me. My name is Alessandra, and today we are doing another fun Valentine's Day tablescape with an activity. And I hope you can tell from the thumbnail that made you click this that we are using conversation hearts as our inspiration. And the first thing that I thought of when I wanted to turn this into a more fun look for an adult were these awesome glasses, barware, cups, whatever you want to call it. I love this style. I'm sure you've all seen these before. They're hand painted. You can get them, in museums. Almost every museum, I swear, seems to have these in their gift shop. But I love them. They're so colorful, and you can get them online now in pretty much any type of cup you desire, whether it's a stemless wine glass, a regular wine glass, a decanter, all the things. But when you look at the shapes and colors of the conversation hearts, and then you kind of look at the shape and overlay of the hand-painted glasses, in an abstract kind of way, it does kind of look, or at least it reminds me of the conversation hearts. And I thought, well, that's kind of a fun way to elevate this into something that maybe, I don't know, could be a date night thing. And so that's kind of what direction I took when I was designing. I was like, okay, I love this barware. You can't go wrong having some fun barware in your collection. And so what else would we want to add to this? And so here's where I went with it. I went full on cocktails and conversations and turned this into like a cute little date night picnic or something. On the left here, we have the option for activity of smoking your own cocktail, and they sell the kits for them. And I will say, I've actually worked events where we've had this before, and as like a specialty cocktail, and guests love it. So your significant other, whether they're a bourbon, a whiskey, whatever, scotch drinker, there's a good chance they're going to enjoy their cocktail with this unique twist of smoking it. And I thought that's so fun. And then I was like, okay, if you're going to have smoked drinks, like you need to have a little charcuterie board or something. So I thought, how cute would it be to get a custom little board done, whether it's, personalized or not, totally up to you, but a nice quality board and knife set is always in good taste. And then cheese from Wisconsin. If you're gonna go through all this and have a little picnic with fancy cocktails and beautiful glassware, you might as well get some good cheese, right? So I picked out this, but whatever you want on your boards, you do you and what you guys like to do. And keeping in line with the conversation hearts, I found somebody on Etsy who makes these little cookies that are like giant conversation heart cookies, and I thought, oh my gosh, well, we're gonna need to have those, because if you're gonna have a little picnic or something, a little something fun, you might as well have some cookies. Like, that's an easy dessert to transport. And I found this colorful it's a picnic blanket, and it's supposedly water resistant and used for camping. I don't know if that's actually true, but it looked really cute and colorful, and it matched where we were going with this. I was like, good enough for me. So we kind of have this fun, it's not really a tablescape, but it kind of is, because it's like a picnic type style, where we got our glasses, our picnic little board, and cheeses and cocktails, and it's going to be so much fun. And then like, okay, you're having this picnic. Where are you having it? COVID's crazy. Do you want to go out in public? I don't know. So I was like, okay, like what happens if you were just in your backyard and you just needed to make that fun and exciting, but you didn't want to go like crazy over the top with lights and all sorts of stuff, because that's a lot of work. And I don't blame you if you're trying to do something fun and everybody's home and you're quarantined together. How are you going to be surprising somebody who's living with you all day, every day? And never fear, friends. I figured it out. Boom. Colorful unicorn inflatable. Whole picnic mode going on right now. I don't even know what else to say other than I saw this and I was like, oh my god, I need to have this. This is perfect. It's colorful. It matches the glasses, the cookies, the whole everything. It's just a fun, colorful little picnic. I love it. Cocktails and conversations picnic. So fun. Fancy cocktails, fancy cheeses, fancy cookies. If that doesn't sound like a good time, I don't know. maybe you'll like some of my other tablescapes and activities, but I thought this is just a really fun and easy last minute thing you could do if you needed some ideas for Valentine's Day or a romantic date. This is something you could do while quarantined or just spending more time at home like we all are these days. And if you enjoyed this, share it with somebody who you think might also enjoy it, or better yet, just surprise your loved ones with something like this. All right, well, that concludes today's quick and easy decorate with me for Valentine's Day. My name is Alessandra. Thanks for decorating with me today. Make sure you subscribe so you can get more fun Valentine's Day ideas and tablescapes and date night ideas, but also we're doing a lot of Bridgerton decorate with me because the season's coming up and I'm so excited. So you're not going to want to miss out. So don't forget to subscribe. All right, friends, thanks so much. Until next time, bye.